Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Shawnee B, where you say Shawnee B?
Hold on, let's get them quiet a little bit.
Shawnee B sitting.
Shawnee B, remember I was watching you to see if he was going to represent for another team, yeah?
What did I tell you?
You tell me you can't sell out the country, so you're doing the right bomber clock thing. One
Never sell out the country. Oh, what do we have to say about Mavado then?
Me don't tell him already for stage, you can never sell out the culture. You never sell out the culture, you can't do that for £5. You're crazy. From the price of a 2 queen.
Shaggy, you did it right.
Welcome to Trending News JA. So Spice Army won the Red Bull Culture Clash 2025 in London, and she did vex with Mavado for representing the UK rap team led by Kenny Allstar. Mavado did rep the event, but it was for the other side, as me tell you. As you know, Spice took the win, and she had the likes of Shaggy, Skillibeng, Vibes Cartel, Skeng, and many more on her team. Even British-born Shawnee B was on Team Spice, just for the culture. Spice say, yo, Mavado sell out dancehall culture for £5 for repping the Kenny Allstar side. Mavado did mash up a place still, but more you tell me if you think Vado sell out or it was just for entertainment.
Yo, cool out my man, now. It's done. 2 minutes left, come on. Come off. I want a some boy. Yo, Red Bull, how you feeling right now then?
Yo.
One more special guest and then blood clot then.
Yo, guess who there? Sadia! Guess who there?
Anyway.
Guess who there? Guess who there?
Where them I know? Where them I try? Yo, Spice. Talk up, no Spice. Yo, Spice, talk about him now. Talk about him now. Bumbuckler, Spice.
Yo, pure that bumbuckler, I want to. Every youngsters, London, we do not Jamaica. We do not Jamaica.
I'm on the go.
Run this,
I'm so special.
45.
I never chase like pigeon.
Next shot, bad man. Next shot, selector.
Everybody sing that one here. I go. Yo. I don't say no.
Yo, Spice.
You
like that one here?
Everybody sing.
Spice are just dead.
Win.
Love.
Playing AI dubs. Come on, man.